Hi, it's Cami from Tidbits. I'm bringing you into my bathroom today, which is both fun and very awkward. But I want to give you some very practical tips for organizing your bathroom cupboards and drawers, which can be a major problem area in the home. And I'll also share some of my favorite organizational products that make the job a little easier. Okay, so we're here in our rental home and we're not going to be here for much longer, but our bathroom drawers and cupboards were getting a little out of control, so I decided to organize them and clean out the items that we don't need so I don't have to worry about cleaning that out when it's time to move. And then I wanted to organize them so that we could just easily pick it up and move it when that time came. So I'll first share with you some of the products that I think make organizing bathroom cupboards and drawers really easy and keep them nice and tidy for a long time. And then I'll kind of walk you through the process that I do to clean out and organize these spaces. So the first thing I like to use is this drawer liner. It can drive you absolutely crazy if you organize it and then open up the drawers and everything slides to the back and front. Trust me, I know. So get yourself some drawer liner so that'll make it so the organizers stay in place when you open and close the drawers. You can pick this up at Walmart or any kind of home improvement store. They come in lots of varieties, but I just like white. It makes my drawers look clean and simple. The other thing I like to use for the drawers specifically are these compartmentalized containers. You can get them in all sorts of varieties. Some I like to have that are deeper for mainly like hair products. And then these more shallow ones come in really handy for makeups and chapsticks and cosmetic kind of stuff. Now, not very often you're gonna find a organizer that will fit your drawer perfectly, which is why I get the ones that are already compartmentalized, and then I'm always sure to grab ones that separate. So I can kind of fill in the extra spots in the drawers by stacking these and moving these around so that I get full coverage inside of the drawer. And also they're really handy if, say, you put on your eye makeup, you can just grab the container that has all your eye makeup, put that on, and then put it back in the drawer. So these are really nice to have. And again, you can find them online, and I'll share some links below. They're really widely available at any market. Go and look in the bathroom or kitchen organization areas to see what you can find. Okay, then there are some items that I put in drawers that I need a deeper, longer bin for. And I think these are usually made for fridge organization, but I love to use them in the bathroom drawers as well. Now, I tried to use these for storing my curling irons and learned very quickly that if I'm putting a hot iron back in the drawer when I'm cleaning up, it can melt the plastic. So I found some simple metal buckets and I put those inside the drawers, and I can just wind up my curling irons, throw them in the middle, and not worry about any damage to the drawer or the containers. For the cupboard specifically, if you're finding you have some dead space and want to use it, I love to just get some little floating shelf things that are just stuck on with command strips, and that can give me some extra storage space inside of my cupboards. As you may have experienced, sometimes for bathroom products, we buy more than what we need at the moment, things that we might fill later, like Q-tips. Well, we can't always store those in our drawers and cupboards without it getting pretty messy. So I found that I like to just buy a big plastic bin, and I stick all my items that I may use on occasion or that I need to refill spots, and they get packed in this clear container, and I slide it under the sink in the bathroom. And so it's organized, it's not thrown and messy, and I know exactly where the items are when I need them. As you might be able to tell, I had really good intentions when we first moved in, but then the space got neglected. So I need to get everything out of these drawers, go through everything, get rid of what I don't need. And my philosophy really in organizing is to protect your everyday. So I only want what's in these drawers and cupboards to be the things that we use every day. And then what may be used on occasion is stored in that bigger container that I showed you under the sink. I'm just pulling absolutely everything out of these drawers and cupboards, filling the bathroom so that I can kind of look at what I have. Then I can divide them into categories and really think about what I want to put back in each drawer and cupboard. So I first started by cutting my drawer liner to the sides of each drawer. And then I will just begin to put the compartments in and lay them out in a way that works for me. So this is going to be my cosmetics drawer, so I'm just going to start filling it up with the items that I use and love the most. Also, make sure while you're doing this that you're taking the time to wipe and clean the drawers. This will make it feel a lot better in the end. This second drawer I've decided to use as kind of the hair drawer. So I get myself and my kids ready in this bathroom. So there's some kind of things that I like to use in their hair as well. But I'll just put this together so it functions a lot better for us, and so we're not digging for elastics and searching for what we need. So curling iron cords can really drive me crazy, especially when they're all tangled up together. So I really wanted to find different containers for each of the irons and blow dryer. It was a little hard to find ones that fit this drawer. I actually had to snap the handles off of these little metal bins, but it fits in there and it works great, and I don't have to wait for the curling irons to cool down before I can just wind them up and stick them right back in the drawer. So under the bathroom sink is never very glamorous, but I still like to keep it tidy. That is where I store the container, where I have my extras and refill items. I just slide them right in there. I also have hairspray and toilet paper and supplements in this cupboard. We're actually Foster certified, waiting for that opportunity. But to do that, we have to keep any medications, supplements, and aerosols under lock. So we have these little magnetic locks under this cupboard. So this is where I store my daily supplements, where I'll also remember to take them, and also some hairspray in here. So I'm also doing this post in collaboration with Rocky Mountain Oils. They sell my absolute favorite all-natural daily supplements. So I keep them under here. It's where I remember to take them. Feel free to click on the link in the description below. We are doing an offer for a free supplement, so check that out if you're interested. But I just store these right in here on my little floating shelf that I was telling you about. And then I remember to take them every time I'm tidying up the bathroom, after I've done my hair and I'm putting my hairspray away. So this is a great spot for me. So lucky for me, my husband doesn't need a lot of personal care items, so I'm able to use this drawer themed as kind of a dental care drawer, along with some of his things that he needs. So this drawer was really easy to put together once I had gotten rid of a lot of things we didn't need. It's just some simple items that my husband uses and things for travel that he can grab quickly. So my husband still can't believe that I'm going to show you this drawer, but it is the one that I fill with a lot of my female personal care needs. These are my washcloths that I use to wash my face daily, and then some extra shower loofahs. And this is all the menstrual cycle product that I will need for a year. A box of organic tampons if I ever feel I need them, but these are menstrual discs. And ladies, if you have not tried them or heard of them, you must. It is life-changing. This will get me through an entire year, and it is very, very convenient. Will you let me know in the comments below if you would actually like more information on menstrual discs? I know it's kind of a funny subject to talk about, but if something helps you out that much, you're pretty excited to tell others about it. Okay, that was a lot of work, but well worth it. I am very excited to have more functional and organized bathroom drawers and cupboards, even if we're only going to be here for a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found several tips and ideas for you to help you organize your spaces in your home. Please be sure to follow me along on YouTube, social networks, on my blog, and especially my email newsletter, and I will be back to share more inspiration for do-it-yourself living.